Welcome. The overnight dexamethasone suppression test is simple, painless, and happens almost entirely while you sleep. We use this test to check if your body is making too much cortisol, which is one of your primary stress hormones. Over time, excess cortisol can cause a condition called Cushing syndrome. This test is a highly effective way to help rule it out. Your objective is to follow a few perfectly timed steps tonight, ensuring your doctor receives accurate blood lab results tomorrow morning. You only need 2 items to get started: your 1 milligram dexamethasone pill from the pharmacy and a reliable alarm clock. Because this test tracks a temporary chemical change in your body, sticking exactly to the schedule is the only way to ensure the lab measures your actual cortisol response, rather than a false alarm. Before you even pick up your pill, you need to review your daily routine with your doctor. Many standard medications interact with dexamethasone, which can skew the final cortisol data. Be sure to discuss any prescriptions you take, specifically seizure medications, antidepressants, and drugs for heart, stomach, fungal, or HIV conditions. It is equally important to mention over-the-counter products you might normally forget. Supplements like biotin or St. John's wort, along with any steroid creams, pills, or asthma inhalers, can also throw off the test. Do not stop taking any of your daily medications on your own. Wait for clear instructions from your doctor. Identifying these interactions ahead of time guarantees the lab measures your body's authentic cortisol production, rather than a chemical reaction to another drug. The active part of the test begins on the evening of day 1. At exactly 11 p.m., swallow the 1 milligram dexamethasone tablet with a small sip of water. Set an alarm for 10:55 p.m. so you are ready. Taking the pill earlier at dinner time or right before a midnight bedtime will invalidate the test. Afterward, go to bed at your usual time. Avoid any heavy late-night exercise, as poor sleep or physical stress can disrupt your results. Beginning at midnight, you must fast. This means absolutely no food, coffee, or drinks of any kind other than plain water. Taking dexamethasone sends a signal telling your brain to temporarily stop making cortisol. Combining that exact timing with restful sleep and a clear digestive system creates a clean baseline to see how your brain responds. When you wake up on day 2, your first priority is heading straight to the laboratory. You must have your blood drawn strictly between 8 a.m. and 9 a.m. Arriving outside of this specific morning window compromises the cortisol measurement, and you will have to restart the entire process on another day. The moment your blood is successfully drawn, the test is over. You can immediately eat breakfast and drink omelet. This specific window captures your body at its natural daily cortisol peak, allowing your doctor to see exactly how your adrenal glands responded to the medication. With the physical steps complete, the lab will process your blood work and send the data to your doctor for review. This meter shows the primary metric your doctor will look at: a morning cortisol level threshold of 1.8. A morning cortisol level below 1.8 is considered normal. It shows your body responded as expected to the medication, meaning Cushing syndrome is highly unlikely. A level at or above 1.8 is considered abnormal. This is not a diagnosis of sickness. It is simply a flag indicating your body is still producing cortisol, requiring further diagnostic testing to find out why. There are 3 situations where the test cannot be salvaged: if you miss the 11 p.m. dose, if you vomit after taking the pill, or if you arrive at the lab after 9 a.m. If any of these happen, call your doctor to reschedule. By following these precise instructions, you ensure the lab results are reliable, giving your medical team the clear information they need to guide your care.